USDJPY, look at this very point, market is going to retrace. Okay, so from this very area right here, this level of important resistance at this very point, where we see the market resist at this very area to the downside, I am expecting that this market move a little bit into this very area, and then we should see retracement, okay, back down before continuation all the way to the upside, because the market still have capability of moving all the way upward. I'll be discussing this in detail in this very video. And if you look at the Euro USD price action, market come back all the way to the downside into this very area. Of course, we entered this position for a sell on the Telegram channel right here, and this was a good trade, because if you come down a little bit, this market gave us about 71 pips in profit, and we closed this very trade. That was on Friday because of the weekend, and then right now we are still going to enter another trade on this very pair, Euro USD, at this very point. So what am I looking at on Euro USD? Will the market from here move all the way to the upside for us to take a buy opportunity moving forward, or market is going to come down a little bit into this very area before the next move to the upside? I will be discussing this in detail as well in this very video, which is very important for you to be in the right direction of the market. So all of this and many more in this video. So first thing first is, if you want to receive that signal that I believe is going to come in very soon on Euro USD or USDJPY, join this Telegram channel right now. Link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. Join right now. And by the way, we've been taking trade on this very channel just on USDJPY and Euro USD, and we've not lost any trade for the past 1 month, and we are entering the second month already. You can join us and be profitable. Okay, and let's go back to this very price analysis. From this very area where the market is right here, I expect that the market push up a little bit into this very point, maybe possible grabbing of liquidity from this very area before we see the market retrace back to the downside. This is very important if you want to be in the right direction of the market. You need to pay attention to this, and the reason why is because there is a liquidity at this very point. Look at it, market from this very area come all the way to the downside, and from here market move all the way upward. So what do you expect from the market? Two things is very important. Number one is for the market to move upward, grab liquidity from this very point, and then begin to come back to the downside. Or market move a little bit into this area, don't grab liquidity, and then come back down as well for retracement. So in any case, one thing is very certain: retracement on this price action is what I am personally looking at right now on USDJPY. On the 4-hour chart, market should retrace, and once market retrace, I still expect this long move to move all the way to the upside. That is a continuation of this upward trend to the upside is very important, and a buy position will be nice after that very retracement on USDJPY, and this is what I am paying attention to right now. So pay attention to this to be in the right direction of the market. So where are the areas we should expect market to retrace into when that retracement comes into the market? So the first point of interest right here that you need to pay attention to is this very area right here. There's a very little point at this very area, very little fair value gap at this very point, which market can come back into before the next move to the upside, or market can come back down into this very area of important support, which can turn support for the market to gain the next move all the way to the upside. This is what you need to pay attention to if you really want to be the right direction of the market. So what this means is market push up a little bit and then come back down for retracement before the next move to the upside in this formation, or market come back down from here into this very area before the next move to the upside. These are the two scenarios that I'm expecting to happen on this price action right now. USD JPY 4-hour chart. Very important, 4-hour chart. So pay attention to these guys to be in the right direction of the market. And then if you come to the 1-day chart, it is covered that the 1-day chart is still very, very bullish. Look at it right here. And that is why I am still expecting this market to still move upward, because if the 1-day chart is still very bullish, then we should expect retracement on the 4-hour chart a little bit to the downside. And then we take opportunity on that very retracement mode for the next leg of impulse on the 4-hour chart. So the 1-day chart right here look very, very bullish. And of course, if we break on this very level of important resistance right here on the 1-day chart, then I expect market to approach this very level of important resistance as well in the market. And this is what you need to pay attention to. So a breakout here will make the market to move upward into this very area on the 1-day chart USDJPY. So if you really want to be in the right direction of the market, pay attention to this analysis and look at it in line with what you are paying attention to with your strategy. This is very important for you to be in the right direction of the market on USDJPY. And on Euro USD right here, which is a very important price action to pay attention to, because I believe a trade opportunity is possible on this very price action for a buy moving forward. Why? Because if you look at this very chart, it is covered that the market from this very area move upward from here. We see the market move all the way from here to the upside, okay, and see this retracement. After this retracement, market move upward. So right now, what is in the market is this retracement before the next move upward. So if we use the fib retracement tool and we try to figure out whether this retracement have ended at this very point, you discover that retracement is almost coming to an end. Let's do that together. So if we take the fib retracement tool and we draw from here, which is this first move from this very point to this very area, it is covered that the market retraced about 0.38%. That is into the 0.382 level on the Fibonacci at this very point before we see this move from here all the way to the upside. Now, this very move right here is already in the market, and this retracement, let's find out how much it has retraced. So if we take the same Fibonacci tool and we move from this very point on this impulsive leg to this very area, it is covered that market have retraced even below what it did in the past to this very area of 0.382. Right now, it has gone below it a little bit and approaching this very area of 0.50 on the Fibonacci, which is very, very important. So if market come back down a little bit into this very area, it will give us a nice buy opportunity from here, moving all the way to the upside. And this is what you must have to pay attention to if you want to be in the right direction of the market on Euro USD. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on this very price action. So from this very area, I am expecting that if I see a significant bullish candle that move upward and close above this very area of important resistance, significant bullish candle that close above this very area, then I'll be taking a buy position in line with this upward trend so that market is going to move all the way to the upside. And I'm going to share with you the target when I take that trade in the Telegram channel. So from here, if we see that bullish candle that close above this very area, then I'll be expecting market to move all the way to the upside, and that is what you need to pay attention to. And if market keep coming down, I will expect the market to come into this very area, then I'll be looking for a buy position as well for market to move upward. So this is what I am looking at right now on the immediate short term to take that trade on Euro USD moving forward. And this is what you need to pay attention to as well if you want to be in the right direction of the market from now moving forward. So the main thing here on Euro USD 4-hour chart is for the market to move upward with a significant bullish candle and close above this level of important resistance. Once that happens, personally, I will be triggering that trade on Euro USD moving forward, and I will give that trade right here on the Telegram channel. If you've not joined, join right now. Link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. And if you come to the 1-day chart, the 1-day chart here looks very, very bullish as well. If you look at it, market has been moving all the way to the upside on the 1-day chart Euro USD. Look at it, market move from this very point all the way to the upside. We have retracement, market move upward, retracement. So retracement can still come back down before the next move to the upside as well on Euro USD. This is what you need to pay attention to on Euro USD to be in the right direction of the market, because it's very important for you to be in the right direction of the market. So these are the things you need to pay attention to right now on this various chart. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Join our Telegram channel, link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. Join right now. And if you want to watch my other videos on this channel, check this video out and check this video out as well. It's going to help you greatly. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.